Today I am sharing my version of Sindhi Kadi, a staple in many Sindhi households. For me, it's both comfort and nutrition in a bowl. You can pick any vegetables of your choice for this curry. Here I have taken green beans, carrots, lauki, drumsticks, potato, eggplants, bhindi and cauliflower. Chop these veggies in big pieces and set it aside. Now take 3 medium-sized tomatoes and make a cross slit on them like so on one side. It's not a deep slit, just a cut on the skin of the tomato because we need to blanch these tomatoes. After slitting, leave them in hot water for 2 to 3 minutes approx. Then take them out, and when it's slightly cooled down, skin will peel off right away. As you can see how easily the skin peels off, and also tomato has become slightly soft. Next we add these tomatoes in a grinder jar along with some ginger and grind this to a fine puree. Keep this aside and let's do more preparation for the curry. Some vegetables like bhindi, eggplant and cauliflower are fried for this recipe because they won't taste good if they become soggy when we boil the other vegetables. So fry these vegetables one by one on medium-high heat just until they are 70 to 80% done. You can also air fry them with a spray of oil if you don't feel like frying them. Authentically though, these vegetables are fried and they do taste a little better after frying. Now as I said earlier, what vegetables you want to add is your choice. So if you don't like to eat any of these veggies, then you can skip that. Or if you would like to add any other vegetable of your choice, so go for it. Next goes in bhindi or okra, which I have cut into long pieces and slit them as well so that they can fry evenly. Fry them until 70 to 80% done and keep it aside because we will add this to the curry at the end. Let's start with the curry now. For this, add about 3 tablespoons of oil in a pot and heat it on medium heat. I would also recommend warming up to 1 to 1.5 liters of water on the side. So after oil heats up, add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, half teaspoon methi seeds and 1/4 teaspoon hing. Then reduce the heat to low and add 1/3 cup of besan and start roasting it on low heat. Two important points here are to keep the heat low at all times and roast slowly. Otherwise besan can burn really quickly and will make the curry bitter. And second point is to keep stirring it continuously non-stop to get even roasting without any lump. As the besan roasts, its color will become more brown slowly and also there will be a nice aroma which shows that besan is roasting well and there will be no raw taste of it in the curry. You will have to keep roasting besan for 5 to 6 minutes like this and you will see that the color of besan has turned more darker brown. As you can see here, besan is roasted. You can tell from its color. Now add 1 to 2 green chilies. I have just slit it from the side and added it, and then also add few curry leaves and mix it well. Now goes in that tomato puree and roast it as well for 2 to 3 minutes, stirring continuously. It will become like a thick paste, and to this we will add that warm water and keep stirring while adding water. This is about 1.2 liters of water I am adding. Consistency can also be adjusted later. Bring the heat of the stove to high so that curry starts boiling. As it boils, add salt to taste, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon red chilli powder and 3 to 4 kokum flowers. Give it a good mix, then let this boil for 2 to 3 minutes. This curry has tangy flavor which is enhanced by the roasted besan and medley of different vegetables. I personally like this curry with lots of veggies in it and it's like a vegetable soup. So here now I am adding 1 big chopped potato and other raw vegetables like beans, carrots, lauki and drumsticks which will be cooked in the curry to enhance its flavor. Boil these vegetables for good 7 to 10 minutes until they are cooked well, but we don't want them mushy. So you can also cover them and cook them for few minutes. Check if the vegetables are done by poking it with a knife and then you will know if it's cooked or needs 1 to 2 extra minutes. Then when they are almost done, add tamarind pulp about 2 to 3 tablespoons and mix it well. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes more after adding the tamarind pulp. Now at last add those fried vegetables and keep cooking for 2 to 3 minutes more so that the vegetables absorb the curry and can cook thoroughly in it. Now it's done, so serve it hot, garnished with some coriander. This soulful Sindhi Kadi with its tangy umami and earthy flavors can be enjoyed with rice, papad or some aloo tuk on the side. Hope you like this recipe. Do let me know in comments if you like it. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes like this.